If GoDaddy is having issues and your dashboard, website editor, or account isn't loading properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through the most effective ways to fix GoDaddy when it's not working. These are simple troubleshooting methods that solve most common GoDaddy errors, loading problems, and editor glitches. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important fixes. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple website and tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first and easiest fix is to simply refresh the page. Sometimes GoDaddy may fail to load correctly due to a temporary glitch. On Windows, press Ctrl and R at the same time. On Mac, press Command and R. This forces the page to reload and often clears minor loading errors. After refreshing, check if your GoDaddy dashboard or website editor loads properly. In many cases, this alone solves the issue. If refreshing doesn't work, the next step is to log out and log back into your account. Session errors can sometimes cause the dashboard or editor to freeze. Click on your profile icon in the top corner of GoDaddy and select Sign Out. Once you are logged out, close the tab completely. Then reopen your browser, go back to GoDaddy.com and sign in again. After logging back in, reopen your site editor and see if the issue is resolved. If the problem continues, you should check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can trigger many GoDaddy error messages, especially inside the website builder. Try opening another website like Google or YouTube to confirm your connection is working properly. If pages are loading slowly, switch to another Wi-Fi network if possible. You can also try using mobile data temporarily to test whether your main connection is the problem. Once you have a stable connection, reload GoDaddy and test again. Another common fix is switching browsers. Sometimes GoDaddy's editor may fail in one browser due to extensions or compatibility issues. If you're currently using Chrome, try opening your account in Firefox or Microsoft Edge. If you're using Edge, try Chrome instead. If GoDaddy works properly in a different browser, then the issue is likely related to your original browser's settings or extensions. If switching browsers helps, or even if it doesn't, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Cached files can sometimes conflict with updated website builder scripts. In Chrome, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cached images and files. You don't necessarily need to delete passwords or history unless you want to. After clearing the cache, close the browser completely, reopen it, and log back into GoDaddy. Then test the editor again. If you're still experiencing issues, try restarting your modem or router. Network devices can sometimes cause connection instability without you realizing it. Turn off your router completely. Wait at least 10 seconds to allow it to reset fully. Then turn it back on and wait for the internet connection to restore. Once your connection is back, open GoDaddy again and check if the issue is fixed. In most cases, one of these 6 steps will resolve GoDaddy loading errors, editor crashes, or dashboard problems. Start with refreshing, then logging out and back in, check your internet connection, try a different browser, clear your cache, and finally restart your modem if needed. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy website troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.